Going on, everybody? ProTrader Mike, founder of Mojo Day Trading. Make sure I got the right mic on. And I'm coming in good. What's going on? What's happening? How you doing? How you doing out there in Mojo Land? Yes, sir. What a great trading day we've had already today. Unbelievable. Yes, it is. It is so unbelievable. It's unbelievable. SQQ's rising. Rising like a champ. Here's my coaster. Can't put my coat on the desk without the coaster. Look at that Florida coaster. Love that. Love that. 76.77. We got a big mover headed to 80 now on SQQ. Why don't we head on over to the main screen and check it out? Ooh, we're flying. We're flying. We're flying. 1777 now. Look at that. Crushing it. I think I got a runner. I got one runner. Let me just cover this account and fill hide account. There we go. I got the one runner right there. Look at that. On my $567. I'm at $260,917. Let's go, Mojo. Run, baby, run. Let's get a break through 78 right here and crush it right up. Look at that. Through the high of that bar right there, which is 78 on SQQ. Does that. Guess what's going to happen? Nasdaq futures are going lower. I love it. That's what I do. That's what I teach. All I do is short the Nasdaq. I don't go long. I could go long, but I don't. I got to go long. I got to go short. I got to go long. I got to go short. I got to cover the short. I got to sell for too much confusion. Just one time. Short it, hit it, done. That's it. I don't hit my shot and then go hit your shot in golf. You hit your own shot. You go long. I'll go short. We'll see who wins. I'm better on my own shot than hitting both shots. You know what I'm saying? Too much concentration. Why do I got to hit your shot and go both ways? Here's another analogy. I'm at the carnival and I step up to the game, with the gun. You have the little gun at the carnival and you shoot it in the hole. Fills up the air. The thing rises up and you keep it right on there. First person, this 5 or 10 of you, get the prize. So I'm just going short, man. I'm concentrating. That thing comes right in front. I ain't going long, back and forth. Be all fucked up. Like the duck goes across, comes back, goes across. When it comes in front of me, I'll shoot it. I don't need to shoot it across the room. I'll miss. I waste my shot. Ooh, I got a runner. I'm going to add right here for the move. For the move higher into 80, I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 micros. I got 10 micros now. 10. I'm going to add one here too. 1. Okay, 1. One little micro moving on. There you go, 76. I told you. But look, it didn't fill me. I'm on the ass still. It may fill me. Come on, fill me. How can it not fill me? To the quarter of a freaking fraction of a penny? Oh my! Have you ever seen that before? A limit order on the Nasdaq futures to 223,570.25, and it didn't tick me. It went to 70 right there. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh. I'm going to put it at 69. Here, I'm covering the 5 I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, the 5 I did over there, I'm covering. Here I got done at the side. I should have kept it at 70.25. I would have freaking got done. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You guys got to get in tune to the The Freedom Bundle. The Mojo Freedom Bundle.
That's a killer.
That's a killer. It's a killer diller. It's a killer diller. There it is. Grab it. It's free, dude. My courses and all that shit. $7,000 worth of value right there, boys. Let's go. Nothing better. Grab the Mojo Freedom Bundle. $7,000 in tools and everything that you need. Zero risk. Zero cost. Done. There it is. Ching ching, bada bang. That's the Freedom Bundle, baby. Hey, good morning, Mr. Press. How you doing? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. You guys got to grab that Freedom Bundle, man. There it is. Right there. Grab your phone. Put it up there. And go into Mojo University and enroll. I launched it this weekend. Never in 13 years have I done this. I'm paying it forward. I want everyone to really make it. Once you make it, you'll know who hooked you up. And it's completely free. And I give you my coaching and my chat room and everything else. Cheers. Why? Because it works. It's been working for 13 years. It's a system based on positive expectancy. You can use it for stocks, crypto, futures, everything. It's what I teach. Go ahead and use it and check it out. Scan that QR code, get the Freedom Bundle. You're all set. You're all set. That's all you need. All you need. Dive right into that course. Let's go, baby. Telling you. If something doesn't fail, you should trust it. I have a system based on positive expectancy. It's hard to fail with it. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting for it to prove itself of a failure, and it continues and continues every day to surprise me. And yeah, that's what I do. I'll teach it to you, and you don't got to pay for it. It costs $1,400. I've been charging for a long time. No more, guys. Do that Freedom Bundle right there. Look at it. Learn the freedom, your path to profit, and everything. Look at that. I'm about to hit 600 in profits right down here, baby. Come on. That's 79.80. It's about to go 77. Told you. Told you I'm going to add. No, I got 5 left. I'm up 1,000. Should I add? I'll add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I added back to 5. It's going to 80. It's going to 80. I added some short. Everyone else go long. Go long the Nasdaq futures. Go ahead. I dare you. I won't give you that many odds. 2-1. When it gets to 1798, I'll come to you again and I'll say, you want to bet? It goes higher. And at that time, I'll give you 10,000 to 1 odds on the bet. That means if it doesn't go through 18 and set a new high, you owe me on this bet first, by the way. If it doesn't go through 18 at 1798 by 99, all you need to do, okay, I'll give you $10,000 if it doesn't, Bob. But if it does, you know it ain't, but I know it is. And if it does, you pay me $1. If it doesn't, I'll give you $10,000. Man, he must be out of his mind. That thing must work. It works. Every time, based on positive expectancy. Let's go. Tony with the orange peel. I can't see your stream on the YouTube? Really? I see it. Live streaming on YouTube. You don't see that? Go to YouTube, ProTrader Mike right there. Click that. Yeah, I'm live right there at the top. Oh, there's one on the bottom though that doesn't show. I don't wonder why that is. Let me disconnect that from the, see what that one is. That's the one with the other picture. It must be, oh, it says Instagram unable to connect. I wonder why. Edit. Wonder why my Instagram not connecting, it says. All right, I'll turn off the Instagram. Mojo Futures Bundle. There. And I got that one there. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, this is the one right here. So I'll turn this one off. I got to remember that one. The RMTP is the one that works. So I shut that one off. Let me refresh the page here and see what happens. Yup, see, it disappeared, Mr. Press. And then this one I can just delete and go into my videos. Well, I'm at 74. I'm going to have to come into here and then delete this one. Delete forever. I understand. Yes, delete forever. Done. See, now I am live. You see that, how I fixed it? Thanks, Mr. Press. See that? Oh, I forgot to add, man. Look at that shizzle damn rizzle. I could have added. I fucking missed that shit. Oh, man. All right, I got 20. 20. I'm adding one right. I won't add it. I got 20 on my 2 right there. I'm keeping these winners in the run. Look at that ad. Fuck yes, Mojo. Taking 10. 10 off the table of the 20 I got right there on that ad. Power punch. Power punch, baby. Dude, everyone's freaking texting me all of a sudden. Let's go. Nice. Who wants a giveaway account, man? Who's joining that Freedom Bundle? Let's go. I could tell who's joining. I'll tell you right now who joined. Last night, over the weekend, I've had over 300 people get the Freedom Bundle.
That's awesome!
Yes, sir. Let's see who got it right now.
That's awesome! That is awesome!
4 minutes ago, HH, Hockey Holman. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Jumping on in. ProTrader Hawk. Let's go. It's going to be hard to become a pro trader. You got to go through and become part of the club first. Mr. Bing. J. Bing. Nice. Welcome aboard. George T. George Thomas. Hello. Emilian Zoe. What's up? Trader Ace. What's going on? Sabrine. Hello there. Mr. Greg Bailey, hello. Hello, Natasha. Hello, Tom, Flora, and Henry Darrell. Michael and Nicholas and Rice. And Griffins and John and Ray and Naomi and Mary Ellen and Gerardo and Noel and Anna and Harry and Renee and Emmanuel. That's just page 1. Welcome aboard to the Freedom Club, guys. And the responses that I've already gotten, oh my gosh. Let's see some of the emails that I've gotten. Let's go down here. And I think I go right into the comments. I'm wondering if I should start a community because I have that option. But I have the Discord. The Discord is my community. That means I have 2 communities. So it's what I'm kind of like jumping around about. So let's go into bundles. That's already done. And I'm going to come into the course. Let's go into the futures course. Let's go into comments. Where are they? Here they are. And let's see some of the comments. Greg says today on futures class, masterclass number 3. Thanks for the lesson, Mike. Great information, very informative. So I have like these comments I'll read to you right here. They look like this. See? I have the comment from the person and the comment and then the core of what it is. And this one is thanks for the lesson. Great information. The one underneath that says very informative. Thank you. And then one underneath that says sharing is caring. Next one says you said it, Mike. Priceless information. Thanks, ProTrader Mike. Plenty of nuggets. Cannot wait to get stuck into video 2. Great class. Took the test and ready for lesson number 2. It unlocks when you finish lesson number 1. Learning a ton with each lesson. Never heard of outcome versus performance goals before. Very good. That's what I teach. Starting to see the ladder now. Learned SQQ speeds up where it stalls and why stops. Every trade might be a trap. This course is hitting different purposes. Props to Mike for laying it out clean. I'll be rewatching and refining my notes for some time now. Yes, sir. Freaking nice. Beautiful. Howard says, didn't realize how much mindset shapes trading until this course. I learned to focus on process over outcome. Spot price zones like 48 and 98 on SQQ. I told you. And finally understand why variance kills consistency. Game changer. Appreciate you, Mike. Freak yeah, guys. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you for them commentos. See, that was a good one. That was a good one right there. Didn't realize how much mindset shapes and all that's a good one right there. Learn how to go through those comments better. Yes, sir. Keep on leaving them, guys. Keep on leaving them. He says this one, he says, this section dives deeper into level 2 mastery, wave theory timing, and how spot dark pools and prints like a pro. You'll learn why a big ask is bullish, a big bid is bearish, and how to ignore the noise like overnight futures moves. Throw that most traders off. Mike also breaks down the SQQ behavior and reinforces the importance of everything, baby. Let's freaking go. Love it. Love it. So grab that freaking freedom bundle, baby, while it's free. 77, 78. We're rocking, baby. I got 7 left over here. I'm going to 5. 5 left. 5 left. Let's go to 80. Here we go to 80. How many I got left over here? Still 2. Still got my 2 up 600 right now. Big runner. I'm going to take 1 off. Taking 1 off. Watch, it won't even hit it by a quarter of a centola. Cancel. It got it. So I'm going to come up here to break even, and I'm going to push my middle mouse button right down next to the blue in this column called SM. I'm going to push the right mouse button down, and it puts this B1 in there. That's my stop. So at $579.50, I'm going to put it at $581. Ooh, it's 78. I'll go more. I'll come down here to $589. Where is it? Oh, it's all the way down there. I'll put it to $590. Ooh, it's 79 now. Holy shit. Oh, I got some runners over here. 1, 2, taking some off the table. Are you guys making money in the Mojo room? Linda, your microphone is hot, so I had to mute you. Now it's good. So yeah, that was a beautiful move, and I got my stop in there up that one. I just leave that sucker now. Leave that sucker. Watch that baby run, baby, to 80. Where's the signals? Right there at 1779, the 1346 sitting there for a rebate.
Yeah, awesome sauce.
Told you. Told you. You'll be passing evals, freaking cooling it down on the pad in the PAs with the micros like a champion once you're taking the course. There he is, right at the rebate. See, 1375, clipping him on the ass. Brrr, brrr, brrr. That's what he's doing. Give me my rebates, baby. Because if that guy hits all those shares on the bid and sells it, which he wants to do, the exchange is going to charge him money because he's removing liquidity from the market. When he's on the ask at 79 and they're buying him right here, he's willing to do that. So he's taking his shares he owns, you're buying them, he's adding liquidity to the stock market. See how it works? It's adding and removing liquidity. The stupid little people, the retailers, buy the ask at the market and sell at the bid at the market, and it costs money. It costs exchange fees. When you're a professional trader and you buy on the bid, like at 77, and then you sell on the ask at 78, you're adding liquidity to the market. You get paid money per share by the exchange. So all day long, these big institutions, it's traded 53 million shares right now. All they do all day long is sit on the bid and the ask, 3 cents below and 3 cents to 5 cents above, and get rebates all day long. And I could see it in the level too, clear as day. So if I know it's going to go there, I take the position. It gives me the edge. It goes there. I take my profit. I win. If that's very confusing and you can't handle it, then it may not be for you. I told it to somebody, said, holy shit, that's so high level. No one's going to be able to understand that. Okay. Look, not a lot of people are good at golf either. But I told you it was going through 79 on the rebate. You didn't believe me. If I show you how to hold the golf club correctly and get it into the fingertips so the hyperthinear eminence is sitting on top of the shaft with a pinched thumb, then you'll compress the ball. Then you'll be like Ben Hogan, and then you'll be a good golfer. But until then, you suck. Because you're buying the bid and selling the ask and chasing and doing shit you shouldn't do with bars and indicators. It's not the way to be a pro. This is the way to be a pro. I'm telling you. It's Ben Hogan and the hyperthinear eminence. Look, let me show you images. Okay, look. Look, see? Right here, look at this picture. See? Look, that right there on the hand, the hypotheniar. See? Pointing to it right there. It's the SB RISP set. Look, see? With Ben Hogan. His is more of an, and mine is more straighter. Mine's a lot more in the fingertips. I can hold and hit the golf club with my left hand with only these 3 fingers. That's all I need. That's what holds the fucking club. This pad sits on top of the shaft, not underneath. Pick up the golf club. You'll see, I guarantee you, every person out there today that does this and watches, you will take the club, you'll put it in your hand like this, and you'll see, you'll grip it like this, and this pad sits underneath the pen. It doesn't sit on top of the pen like that with a pinched thumb. Doing that, you can't pull the pen out of my hand. Putting it in my hand like this with a regular thumb slides right out. Try it. Take the pen, put it in your palm of your hand, flat thumb, pull it right out. Now put it in the tip of your fingers, close it up like this, pinch the thumb and put pressure on it and try to pull it out. You can't do it. That's how you compress the ball. That's the Ben Hogan secret. That's why I hit a 9-iron 155. That's why, again, this weekend I shot 1 under. That's the secret. Not the fucking this, the that, the deuce, the this, the back. That is the secret of golf. The hypothetical eminence. I'm telling you. That's how you play golf. At a high level. Because what happens is, if you hold it in the palm, when you bring the club back, the wrist doesn't cup. You need the wrist to cup naturally when you bring it. So when you come down, the shaft sticks straight up in the air and not flat. Imagine hitting someone right here and going like this. You won't even do anything. But now reach all the way back here and give it a ride. You'll knock his block off. See the difference? Holy shit, Mike, you fucking hit it again. Can't believe you're telling all these people that shit. Oh my God, you fuck. Dude, he's like, dude, I'm giving away all my secrets. But Mikey Cheeseburger continues to tell me I'm doing the right thing. Mikey Cheeseburger, an evil superhead. Right there. He's in my left ear. Hold the stop. Hold it, Mike. Add more into the loser. Add more. Mike, follow your stops. Remember to remain humble. And everything will remain good if you stay small and humble, Mike. Mike, don't listen to his ass. I'm going to kick his fucking butt right after this. Don't worry. These guys battle like you do. Left, bam, 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 boom, boom, boom. Left and right. This guy, get out of here. Mikey Cheeseburger, you can hang out with me all day long. He tells me I'm doing the right thing. Let's go, Mikey Cheeseburger. Good, the Freedom Bundle. Get it and let's go. Waiting for 80. Waiting for the move to 80. I'm going to add over here. Adding back, I only got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10. 10 micros now. Let's go, baby. If I have 2 here, I'm coming out of one. I got out. Look, done. 590. See, it stopped me out. I'm done for the day. At 260,937, I am up 10,937 in this gladiator account with Prop Shop Trader. Proud and soon to be a live trader with multiple accounts. So I made for the day. I am done. I made 1,211 in one account. 261,378, made 590 in the other, and 187.50 in the other at 263,440. I got a 50K PA I just crossed 60,000 on today. Can you freaking believe it? Yep. So right here, I'll show you. Let's close these babies out. So here's what I made on the 3 accounts today right here. You can see I made 187, 263, 1200, 261, 4, and 590 at 260, 900. Beautiful. So I'm going to save that. PST for 825. Done. Now I'm going to open up. First, I have to come into here. Watch what I do. Think I traded a lot. Look at all those I didn't even know what it was doing. Look at all those trades. Let's go to the show 100 bars. Let's go show 100. Let's go show 250. Let's go show 400. 400. There we go. Look at all these trades I did. Look, you could see them all. See that? The yellows are the shorts, the blues are the reds are the shorts, the blues are the buys. So you can see the reds up top, the blues underneath them. See? Look. Look at the reds all up top and the blue. Look how much money I made on that one. Oh, yeah. See that? I enter, I add, I cover. Nice. So that's done. So now I'm going to come into here and I'm going to right click every account and say pull working orders and exit positions. Okay. So right here, I'm coming into the account and I right click and pull orders. Done. Yes. This account. Right click, pull. Done. Right click, pull. Done. Now I can close this and I can feel confident that there's no orders and it's all taken care of. Done. Now I open up the application. I'm going to check out my next one. My next one is this. Let me see. I have to get the account. So I have to add it to my sheet. Firms. There's a firm called Elite Trader Funding that I am trying. This is the one I'm up $10,000 in my account. And they're a little weird with the way that they do stuff. I'm just trying. Let's see here. View ID. Here it is. That's that. My password is that. And then the license key is that. So I only need the password for Rhythmic and my user. Do they have their own thing? No, they're a Rhythmic paper trading. Log in. I'm going to log out and log back in again because I didn't remember the settings and I didn't freaking do that. Yeah, I didn't do it. So this is the password. This is the account. I got to put like a remember me. Remember me. So now I can log in and it remembers me for the next time. So here's my account with this one. I'm trying out these people. Today made $1,470. I'm at 59,448. I started at 50,000. Due for a payout. Right click, view risk parameters by trader. I had it disabled. Enabled. $500. Apply. Okay. Done. 59,448. Beautiful. So I got to take a picture of that and put it in my file. Done. Done. And this is ETF. I do that every day, 825. I'm going to add, I see it's dropped a little bit from 80. I got 10. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 20. Covering 10, a little bit below. So when it goes to the next penny, I still got 10 left. And it's taking those right now. Just took those 10. Beautiful. Just took those 10. Beautiful trade. Taking 5 off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful trading. Beautiful trading. No, nothing's better. If you like the way I trade and what I do, give me a thumbs up, at least on the video, if you don't get in the Freedom Bundle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All righty, I'm back. Love taking them breaks. Everybody needs them breaks. Yes, sir. Oh, what are we at? Oh, we ain't in the 80s? Oh, we went there and came back. All right, I got one little runner I can add. 15. Line up 10. Yes, sir. Bing, 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 bing. Going back to 80. Yes, sir. Just keep on riding this little box. Down to 23,550 on the Nasdaq. Yes, sir. Boom, boom, boom. Shakalaka, boom, boom. You want to see this cool little thing I got? My hypno ball. Watch. I can put it on this. You ready? Ready, guys? Ooh, I play poker. I put that in front of me. I put it up on my desk too. Play against me. Go long right now, the Nasdaq. Go long. Go long. Trade against me. You're going to lose. Trade with me. You're going to win. Go short the Nasdaq. Short the Nasdaq futures. SQQ's going in the 80s, strong up to 18. Yes, sir, in my favor. Swimming in the stream. Ooh. See that? See that, guys? Crazy, right? You're all hypnotized now. Woohoo! Moji, you gotta hit something. All right. A whole bunch. What do we got? We got 76. Come on now. Shit's a wild child. It's a wild child. Where are you, wild child? $74 by $75. Patience, patience. Tesla's up $9.
I was on that webinar, Mike, but I saw you had a couple runners for $590.
Yeah, no, I got it. That's what I made, 590. I put the stop in at 590 to be done for the day on that account. So,
Okay, that's pretty good.
yeah, it's pretty good. Good day I had today. Solid day. Solid for a Monday.
Yep.
Yeah. It's getting more. I'm just getting solid, dude. More solid. That's all. Staying tight. 1760 to 18 is only a 40-cent move for the entire day. It's very easy to compartmentalize. That's the word I'm looking for. Box it up into groups accordingly throughout the day as it's moving up and down through the numbers. It's only going to do so much. You know why I know that? Nah, because I'm the Moj. Because the market's
You've been
orderly.
journaling.
Because the market's orderly. The market's orderly. Which prop firm is giveaway is it? Wow, it's spinning a long time period. What's spinning? Oh, that shit? Nah, I wasn't a giveaway. I was just, you guys want to give away? I can hook you up. A little YouTuber. A little YouTube schnoober. A little giveaway, a little application, a little YouTube. Applications, YouTube, a URL, start. And here we go. Load some comments on there. Continue. I'll give you guys a little giveaway. So that's what I do. I'll hook you up. You're probably going to win, Mr. Naymat555. You may win right here, Naymat. Ooh, on point. You already won yesterday. Naymat, you're the winner. Naymat, DM me on my Twitter. Because you got to do some things on there anyway. So DM me for your, make sure you're on Twitter. DM me, boss. You're all good. Nice move right there. A little more. Nice. Nice. Nice last trade. 10 left. 10 left off that dip. You got it, man. Thanks for watching. Come on back anytime. Make sure you give the video a like. You're all good. You're all good to go. There you go. Mojo's live. The Freedom Bundle. Make sure you get that Freedom Bundle and you sign up for the Moj. Beautiful move, Moj. 10 left. 5 left. Yes, sir. Told you. 2 left. I made 737 on that trade. Yes, sir. Hey, Mr. Burned. Welcome aboard. Mr. Klee, Oscar, nice to have you guys. You're going to love the course. Leave comments below as you watch them. Can't wait to see you in the Discord. Follow the emails I send you. See if any new guys came in. Oh, Trader HCH is here. I approve. You're done. You're in. I know you. You're approved. Who's that? That's Lucy. Lucy. 79.80. I told you, dudes. See? I told you. Look. Look, 79.80. I told you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nobody's a better trader. You may be a bigger YouTuber and have more audience, but you're not a better trader. I don't give a shit. That I'll challenge. I'll take any challenge. See, the thing with the people that think they're freaking good with the big channels and they challenge you, they block you and deny you. And then you can't challenge them because how are you going to do that? They've already blocked you. So they only let schlubs in, pansies that fucking go, oh, you're the greatest. Oh, pick me. Pick me. I took your course. You can beat me in trading. Fuck you. Dude, you want to hear something crazy? Panda, you there in the
What's
room?
that, man?
You want to hear this?
What's that?
Listen to this. I'm golfing, right? It's 80. Golfing, right?
Yeah.
Me, this other kid who decided to join, really helped him with his game. He had 2 par. He never had a par before in golf. He actually parred 2 in a row. He was like jumping up for joy. So that was my rescue. Then there was these 2 other guys in the other cart. So I had a cart, the kid had a cart, and these other 2 people had a cart. And the other guy dressed really nice, had the great old-fashioned shoes, and I'm like complimenting him, helping him all day. Nice guy, Richard. And then there was this guy, Larry, the guy who was driving the cart with him. And Larry, right off the first hole, hit it into the trees and was aggravated. Okay.
Yeah.
So his round didn't start off too well. And he kept on getting aggravated. And I'm only playing 9 holes. So it is what it is. It doesn't matter to fucking me. And instead of playing the back tees by myself, they're all playing from the blues. I'm going to play from the blues with them. And they're all like amazed how I compress the ball. And my game is on like it's on. And I'm just crushing it. Okay. And the other kid's hitting 4 shots, taking a crazy time on the green. And Larry's complaining and shit. Okay. I don't say a word, dude. So it comes to the last hole. I hit the drive out there. I don't even know what happened to the kid's still back there doing something. And I go to my ball, and Larry drives up in his cart and he says, you know, there's golf etiquette. How come you drive your cart and don't wait for like me to hit the fucking ball? I said, because you suck. Because you suck, dude. You fucking take 4 shots and fucking hit it into the tree before you even get to my goddamn drive. You're talking about fucking etiquette on the 9th hole on my 2nd shot. I'm leaving after this next fucking shot. You fucking got balls, you fucking motherfucker. He jumps out of the cart and jumps right at me like he's going to jump me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm like, oh my fucking God, are you kidding me? You just fucking frogged me, jumped up. Are you and I stood my fucking ground. I said, I can't believe this shit. I'm going to video it. I grabbed my phone. Go ahead. Let's see what you could fucking do. I got you all on video. Let's see. Go ahead, fucking tough guy. And I videoed him. And then he got up to hit his shot. And I said, you're going to shank the shit out of that shot. And he hit it in the water.
Yep.
Yep. And I hit the next shot on the green, and I left. He's like, oh, you're starting with, and I'm like, you're a dick. I kept on, you're a dick. He's like, you're starting with him. I'm like, dude, you jumped in my face. I didn't fucking get out of the cart and fucking jump in your face like I was going to kick your ass, but you did that to me.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, I really didn't mean to do that. Well, you shouldn't have fucking done it.
It's kind of hard to not do it, not mean to do it, you know?
Yeah. My last fucking hole, I'm 1 under. He's like shooting 140. I'm like, dude, I feel bad for you. I feel bad for Richard, your guy. He's got to sit with you for the rest of the fucking round. I'm out of here. And I left. It was unbelievable. People are so fucked up.
He's carrying a lot of stress.
A lot of bad golf game, dude. You shouldn't be bringing it on the golf course. People get so aggravated and so bent out of shape. It's crazy. Here in Florida, people die on the course, dude. People bring guns and yeah. I've had my incident on the golf course.
You just stroke out from a heart attack? Too much stress?
Yeah. I fucking had my incident on the golf course 5 years ago. Same thing. But it wasn't with one guy. It was 3 guys that did that to me. that came up and frogged me, surrounded me in a circle on the green. One guy chest bumped me. Now what am I? Now what am I going to do?
Yeah.
So I hit him with my golf club, and I ended it, and I got arrested.
Oh, that sucks, man.
Yeah, it does.
I'd want to break it over his head.
I broke it over. I didn't. They were older, but they surrounded me. So I broke it over his leg because I knew I can get away and out of the circle with him approaching me. And once it broke, I hit his leg. The head of the putter came off. So it was like a sword. I now had like a pointed fucking sword. I said, you want to come? Let's go, man. Whoever wants to come at me now, you know I'm going to fucking hit you with it. Let's go. And they all fucking ran. Then they went and told on me, and I got arrested for battery for hitting someone with a golf club. So I went to court, and the judge looked. I had the fucking club. He looked at it. He said, oh, it's a shame. That was a Scotty Cameron case dismissed. Get the fuck out of here. I can't believe you're in here. Yep. So I told the guy, look me fucking up, dude. You fucking frog me on the golf course. I'm not afraid to fucking beat you up, but I won't, because I've already been through that, and I won't go through it again. So you're lucky that I don't kick your fucking ass. That's what I told him. You're fucking lucky, dude, that I'm not 25 years younger, and that shit never happened to me before, because I would kick your ass right now. And he was like fucking scared, dude, because I didn't back down. Once he did that, everything turned on for me. I was like out of control. I was like a kid at school again. Let's go to the fence. I got 2 runners. I'm up 737. Wasn't I up that before? No, I was
not bad, not bad.
Yeah, 737. The other account, I'm up 3,363. My apex. Dude, it's 320. Let's see what people are doing. Who's on YouTube? Blue Sky is live.
Here, honestly, on the Russell.
3 people watching. So I got more than Blue Sky, at least. You see how many I got watching.
Well, today, no. The momentum is done on multiple time frames, Primo.
I have.
Markets are doing pretty much the identical thing here today, Primo.
90.
So, there's not a big substantial.
99 viewers. That's pretty good. Better than 3.
Coming into the week, where was the momentum? It was in the cyclical areas.
That's just on my. That's just on my. How many? Oh, Patrick's not live. He was live earlier today. See that. He's got some good videos. Look, this is his new video. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Pretty. Got a big old booty.
Got a big old.
This big. Got a fat ass.
It's a nice Ferrari. But he gets them from this guy Burke in Fort Lauderdale, in Boca, where he lives. Cars by Burke. He does something with the guy. The guy gives him the cars. He promotes them. Then the guy sells them. He gets another one. Does that on and on and on and on. It's a pretty good deal. Anybody want to freaking hook me up with some cars? I'll fucking drive them around. I'll tell him I got them from you and shit. Send you some traffic. That's what he does. Right? I'll take it. You want a car, Panda?
What was that, Mike?
I said, you want a car? Wrap it with the freaking, we'll get it from the guy. We'll get 2 freaking Lambos.
Yeah, throw me a car. I'll drive it around and do some advertising.
All right. And put the QR code on it and shit. Put the freaking Freedom bundle on it and scan. And as we drive around, we'll just be up and down the turnpike, and people will just be signing people up all day, driving the car around. I'm serious. That's what he does. Then we'll go to the car show, and everyone at the car show will freaking be in the Freedom Club.
Yeah, that would be interesting.
Yeah. We can do it. The Freedom Club. Get the bundle, baby. $7,000 worth of goodies for free. That shit ain't going. 300 people have already done it. Let me see how many people have done it this show. Telling you a bunch. This show, Panda, at least a dozen. Look, it's 80. I told you. Told you. There it goes. 81, 82. Told you.
Yes, sir. Told ya. Sir. Told ya. Told ya.
Told you.
Told ya.
I ain't getting in that. I'm too late.
No, you ain't. No, you ain't. It's going to 84, 85, Panda, right into the next move higher. It's going to break this line. Look on my chart right here. If you ever look at a chart, look at it right now. Right here, look, I'm putting a horizontal line. Boom. Everyone's going to come in, the whole world, on a break of that line. You want to be in right now, one or two, and stay in them. Trust, dude, do it.
Got it. I'm in.
I added myself. Done. Not many, but we're in. Done. Going 81, 82. Let's go, baby. Picking up some mojo momentum right into the 90s. Right back up to 18. Here we go. See? Super dude, you're wrong. Mikey Cheeseburger. You're right. Yo, I'm trading freaking crypto too, dudes. I got crypto going. I'm trading Ethereum right to 10,000. Who's going to join me? Trading Ethereum to 10,000. It's going to be the most bullish move ever. Let's go. It's 4,700. It's going right to 5,000. 300 points ripping through 5,000. Let's trade it. I'm trading it. Just opened an account. Going to get set up. Once it's set up, I'll let you know. We'll trade together. We'll trade crypto together. Yay. Crypto's easy. You can hold the trades a lot longer. Once it's at 49.99 by 98, Panda, on Ethereum, I'm all in. It's going to rip through 5,000 like it ripped through 4,000. If you don't know how it ripped through 4,000, go watch it. Within an hour or two, it was 4,400. So this one will be around 5,500 pretty damn quickly. Yes, sir. Yeah. I'm going to make some bank. Are you? You better get prepared. Put a little cachiche aside because they give you leverage. So it's like $100. You can buy like 50 grand worth of crypto. So once you get up, take some off, play with the house money. You could turn $100 into 10,000. Yep. If you're wrong, throw in another 100, turn it into 10,000. You're wrong, another 100, turn it into 10,000. Just like the prop firms. But hey, 3 to 5 times, that shit'll be $10,000. Not like the prop firms, 1,000 times. Because Ethereum going through 5,000.
Awesome.
Yep, 81, 82, Panda. Told you. Here it goes. Go watch schlubs. Here it goes. And Ethereum's down $3 today. What a good buy. What a good buy on Ethereum right now. That's a good one. That's a good one. It's going to 50 ETH. See that? I'll buy some of that. Look, 500,000. About 500. $500 ETH. Had this TNFA earlier. Still got some of that. 80 Panda. Here we go. Get ready to pad those freaking PAs.
Yes, sir.
I'm adding. I'm adding in the green. In the green, I'm adding. So I can't lose because I'm going to put break even right at the break even. I'm going to put break even at the break even. That makes sense. And then if it goes past my break even, guess what? I'll rebuy it back. But I can hold a big, if it goes 81, 82 now, I got a big runner. It's squeezing. Look at the freaking dark pools. 17, 7, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. They're all printing right under the ask. It's going, thank you. Who wants to bet 5 million?
Yep.
Who wants to bet? Who wants to bet? Who wants to bet? Who wants to bet? Bet, 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 bet. Bet, bet. Fred Flintstone, bet. Told you lost the bet. That's it. You lost the bet. Bet, 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 bet. You ever see that one, Panda?
I got some.
You ever see that one, Fred Flintstone, when he's addicted to betting?
I don't remember if I saw that one or not.
Can I show it to you? It's freaking so funny, dude. You want to see?
Sure, why not?
Look. I'll put it in the Discord. I got to get it on YouTube so it plays in the room. All right, here it goes, Panda. All right, you see my screen, right? It's 81 by 82. Here he goes. I told you. That's not it.
Hey, Fred, open up.
What do you want?
How about a game of marbles, Fred?
Marbles? Come right in, boy. I need somebody to practice with. I have to get real good.
Why, Fred?
I got my reasons.
Hey, tell you what, Fred. We'll play for a nickel if you want to bet.
Bet.
See how he goes crazy? He flips out with the betting.
Yeah.
Look, he does it here too. It's like he just keeps on flipping out. There's one with he does it with the little kid, and the little kid bets him and shit. In this scene, in this one right here, right there, he got right here. And the little kid wants to bet him and he freaks out. Bet, 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 bet. That used to be my favorite show, man. The Flintstones. Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. They're the modern stoners family. The modern Stone Age family. Let me search Fred Flintstone. $81, Panda. Told you.
I got a couple left for it.
I'm not touching them. This
What's your
one.
bag, sir?
What gave it away?
Oh, you the Geico Gecko! I filed a claim for my car with the Geico app.
This one.
Look who's there.
Look.
Who, Fred?
That smart alecky kid Arnold who delivers our newspapers.
Arnold.
So what?
So every time I see him, we have a battle of wits.
Oh, I get it. You're out of ammunition.
Hiya, Mr. Flintstone. I was just on my way to your house. You owe me for last week's newspaper delivery.
All right. You don't have to bug me, Arnold. Here's your money.
Thanks, Mr. Flintstone.
As of now, I am canceling my subscription.
Why?
Why? Because more and more that paper of yours is failing to fulfill its obligation to the public. That's why.
Oh, I don't understand what you mean.
I mean, your comic section has shrunk to almost nothing. Only 15 measly comic strips in the whole thing. You call that a newspaper? Huh?
Oh, gee, Mr. Flintstone, I sure hate to lose you as a customer. I'll tell you what. I'll give you a special rate.
Special rate?
Uh-huh. Now, let's see now. You're paying 5 cents a copy on weekdays and 15 cents on Sundays, right?
5 cents weekdays, 15 cents on Sundays, that's right.
Well, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'll charge you 6 cents for the daily paper, but only a dime on Sundays. What do you say?
That sounds like a fair enough deal. Okay, Arnold, under those conditions, I'll stay your customer.
I thought you would, Mr. Flintstone. Goodbye, gentlemen.
So long, Arnold. Yeah, I suppose you think I took advantage of the kid, Barney. But I just did that to teach him a lesson.
Oh, Fred, you're paying 46 cents a week now instead of 45 cents.
Why, that little... He took advantage of me. Hey, Arnold, come back here!
I love that shit. Let's go. Clee, Bernard. I wonder where you're from. You sound like you're from Germany. Bern Schwegert. Join my Mojo U. Got a lot of people, Panda, to speak to. 3:38 p.m. Come on now. 1781 by 2. I'm getting impatient. Getting impatient. I'm getting impatient. Who's live on YouTube? Nobody. I'm the only one. There it goes, Panda. 81 by 82. Let's go. Oops. I just pressed the wrong button. Let me see if I can save it. I don't want it to do that. I went to go add one. It was on 12 instead of 1. I'm like, holy shit, I got 46 already. I put them right there. I got right out. Even though it would have worked in my favor, I'm like, what? 46? No, thank you. $14 maybe, but not 46. This shit ain't even moving a penny. It's stuck. Stuck like a schmuck. What should we play, man? Play some tunes in the room. Infinity Trades, new to the room. Let's see who's new to the room today. You see them on the right, Panda? They're called Freedom Traders. You see them? They have their own category. Look, let me show you the Mojo room. Slide it over. So right here on the right, Ethereum's $44.92. Bitcoin's 111,000. Gas is only $2. I do giveaways also. These are my pro traders. Beautiful, 15 of them. And then I got my OGs. This is people that have been on subscription for 10 years. Yes, sir. My shit works. So these people, the Freedom Traders, are all 9, 8 that are now in the room. Look, and then 46 underneath them.
Yeah.
See them? Yes, sir. And then you got some OGs and this guy, and you can put he's a Freedom Trader. There you go, like that. All the new people that have come on in. And when you come in, you do this member application, like Luke Bryan right here, and JR Disco and John. And I got to speak to all you guys. You want to come on in? There's 186 of you ready to come on into the Mojo room. Let's go, man.
That's a bunch.
That's a bunch. It's 186 people coming on into the Mosh.
Well, it'll be fun and exciting.
It's going to need to start to get to be, because you know why? We've been enjoying what works for too long by ourselves, while other people have struggled with everything. Like the people that are betting against me with the dark pools going off at 17.7999 and 9. I'm all in. It's telling me, right, that the dark, they can't even print enough shares at this price. Okay?
Right, yeah.
They can't, at this, they have to do dark pools a tenth of a penny underneath. Now it's gone. Told you. Now they get in some shares at 8, see the A7, closer to the bid side. The dark, so now they can transact a lot of shares and shit. This stock is gone, dude. They're not, they couldn't even get it into a, now they ain't, that shit gone, dude. This shit gone, dude. Watch. 81, 82, 83, 93, 1803, 1822. That's my number. It's going to 1822, boys and girls. Ooh, I'm up 270 right now. Going down to 5, Panda. Panda, I'm trimming down from 15 to 5.
Okay.
How many you got left?
I'm in at 10 at the moment, but I'm getting out.
No, only sell 4, hold 6.
I got in a little late.
It's going a lot higher, trust me. See, it's breaking through the line. Everyone, don't be the old Panda, dude. Be the new Mojo. Have freedom. Break through that shit. Follow and listen to the Moj. Don't touch it. Leave it. You'd leave the loser.
I'll leave it. I'm listening.
Good. Leave it. I'm leaving mine. I'm like a champion. Everything's red on my goddamn screen. The whole screen's goddamn red. Love it. 344 at the end of the day. Do you know what tonight's going to happen? Future going to be down so much. Shit's going to 18 tomorrow. Thank you, Mojo. 1822 tomorrow. Thank you, Mojo. Yes, sir. Thank you. See me twirl those chips? They're with the left hand, now the right hand. Watch. Ooh. I don't do a chip twirl. I spin it and put it in the middle. Look at that. That's freaking utter talent, baby. You guys can't do that shit. You show me one other YouTuber that's a trader that could take poker chips like this, maybe Rips can, with both hands and freaking chip twirl both hands.
I don't know any. I've never seen anybody.
Here we go. You ready? Chip twirl both hands. Oh, I dropped the one. I almost had it, dude. Both hand chip twirl.
Yep.
You ready? Here we go.
Oh, so
Power,
long.
control, and focus. Here we go. They twirled and they didn't drop. Adding 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go! 82, 83, 84. Hold your freaking pants. Hold your chair. Hold your chair, baby. Look at, hold it. Hold the chair. Oh, I told you. I told you it was going to buck. I told you it was going to buck. Taking those 5 off, I just did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and holding the other 5 for 83. Now let's go. Ha, you're wrong. Ha, Mikey Cheeseburger, right? Mikey Cheese. Mikey Cheese. All right. What a lonely, lonely, lonely day. Look Look at that, breaking over the line. Switching to the 15-minute rail grind, in rail grind, holding. See? I'll drop me down 2 pennies. I know where it's going back to. Drop me down. I'm going to add back my 5 I got out. I'm taking 1 here, 1 higher, 1 higher, 1 higher, and 1 higher. That's one thing I am not doing is falling for the bluff. The market cannot bluff me. You know why? Look at 1779. UBS Securities is there with 50. And he's Nasdaq with 1151. You don't usually see a big number. You see a PSX on the bottom with a 1. Look at the current ask. They're very small. Look at the 79. That's UBSS. That's UBS Securities.
Okay. Gotcha.
They're fucking a monster buying, dude. That's who's doing all this. Is UBSS. See them? Look at them below at 1779. They're in both places. UBSS is the big elephant in the room. Look at the bid on the Nasdaq under at 1779. He's got a 1260 there. Look at the 80. He's changing it around, signaling to people. 5 with 1,040. Give me your 1040 IRS form and shit. I don't know what the fuck he's talking about, but he's talking about something. UBSS on the bid. See that, Bradley? Brad knows what I'm fucking talking about. He don't come around to play too often. What are they doing? Taking a hedge on the market, buying SQQ on the bid, rebating all freaking day long. You better believe they are. Market's going to freaking correct. They got to buy SQQ. UBS Securities. Wait till Goldman Sachs gets on the bid. GSCO. Holy shit. Then it's really going to be a freaking gold day. You see how much I know? Do you see how much I know? You want to see how much I know? It's like Phil Mickelson explaining the shot. Okay? Now listen to this. Okay? This is, and then we're going to wait. When I'm done, it's going to be 85. This is the level that I'm at with my trading. Listen. Listen, Panda.
You've always thought that way, very analytical.
There's a lot that I process on every shot, and there's a lot of detail.
There's a lot I process.
You want me to touch on it, or do you really? Is it?
Hey, tell me about it.
Well, in my practice, I build a reference. So I hit the same shot over and over, building a 9-iron that goes 145 yards, let's say. Now, that will vary based on temperature and altitude, and which will change with time of day and whatnot, as well as wind and those effects. But one of the things people will say is I hit my wedge, 120. Well, you might hit a 120 under certain conditions, but in the morning, ball's not going to go 120. Maybe in the afternoon when it's warmer and the ball heats up, but it's going to go 5 to 10 yards shorter in the morning. People don't factor that in. If you get a little bit of water in between the club face and the ball, people don't know. It actually increases spin, causes it to go shorter. The first cut always comes out 6 to 8 yards dead. If the grain is into you, it's going to launch and hit lower on the face, launch lower, have more spin. If it's down grain, the club slides a little bit quicker, you'll get more out of it. If it's sitting up on zoysia or off of a tee, always goes 5 yards farther with each iron based on the fact that the center of gravity is underneath the ball and it launches higher, a little bit less spin. All these things I have to factor in when I look at the lie. Okay, how is the lie and how is the ball going to come out relative to my 145 9-iron? Now, that's 10 off a stock, so I have a normal swing.
Right.
And then I have a second swing for every iron shot. And it's a little bit shorter backswing with the same acceleration. So I have a 145 and a 155 yard shot. What is the lie going to do? What's the temperature? What's the wind? How do I want the ball coming into the green? If you choke down an inch, 3 yards comes off of it. 1 degree aloft is 3 yards. So if you open the face a degree, that's 3 yards. So if I have a reference of 145, I want it to fly 142, I can choke down an inch. It'll come in a little bit lower, a little bit flatter, and release. Or I can just open it up and hit a little bit of a cut.
You see what he thinks about for every goddamn shot? This guy's sitting there. He's like, holy freaking shit. What the hell is he talking about? And I told you it was going to be over 82, and it's 83. I told you.
Still got some runners.
Taking half off. 5 left. That's how you do it. You see how much goes into it that I know? I'm like Phil Mickelson on the goddamn trade. You're looking at freaking it's 81 by 82. I see the freaking every UBS and him, all that shit. Where's UBS now, dude? He's gone. He's gone. You know why?
Why is that?
Why do you think? Think about it logically. Why is he gone all of a sudden?
I should know this one.
If you just bought a whole freaking bunch and drove the car with a full tank all the way from 77 to 83, what would you do right now?
Take the profits.
You'd pull in and refill the gas tank so you can do it again. They're accumulating the orders at the order desk right now so they can get on the bid at freaking 83, 4, 5, and 6, and they're getting limit orders up to 90 right now from the book. Okay. How many more shares you want? We fucking just exhaust. How many more shares? We're taking it limit 90. I want 3 million. Next. How many shares you want? 2 net. And they're taking orders, right? And they're going to jump back on the bid and send this fucking thing right to fucking 90. They're refilling the gas tank, boss.
All right. That makes sense.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Come on back up at freaking 84, 80. There he is. He's at 85 now. Just popped up. There he is. See him? Boom.
Yep, I see that.
Just came back on with 5 at 85. Yes, sir. And he's on the bid because you got to be on the bid. If you're on the ask, where is he? He's at 85 and he's at, no, he ain't even on the fucking bid. And he's only showing 5. So he's not even showing his hand. Told you, 80. Told you.
There we go.
Told you. There he is, right to UBS, baby. Told you.
Got 5 runners yet.
I got 4. Now I got 3. Told you. See, that's how the markets work. I have an edge that nobody else can even fathom. You're just freaking taking out a 9-iron, dude, hitting it one way. I got so many analysis factors and 2 fucking ways I can. You don't even know what's going on, baby. Yes, sir. Double chip twirl coming up. Here we go. Light it up, Mojo. 1 chip twirl right there. The right hand got stuck. Got stuck because my old arthritis and shit. My old man. Look at that 85, bitch. Told you. Told you. Told you. Love it, baby. 85, baby. Got me my runners. Give me my 85. Watch out tonight, boys. Market ends in 4 minutes. This momentum is not stopping. This Mojishi momentum.
I'm still hanging on to a few.
No. 4 o'clock comes. Guess what's going to happen? Up 8 cents in the after hours. Putting it in the 90s. Sending it at 8 o'clock at around 18. Tonight, ripping around there, and tomorrow, 18 1422. Look at UBS on the freaking ass with the Nasdaq and the freaking size. This is the biggest size you've ever seen. They're getting a monster rebate, adding liquidity to the markets, baby. Look at the size of him.
Holy cow.
Look at
Come
the
on.
size gone, dude. 87 mojos. I told you. Panda, I told you. Back. Told you. 90, Panda. UBS at 90. See him? 61.
Yep, I see it.
Yep. No one's better. No one's better. See, on point. See?
About to take me.
Holly Hockman, you're in. 90.
Holy cow,
90, baby. I told you 90, homie. And yeah. That's what I teach. All in the Freedom Bundle. Everything that I'm doing is taught in the Freedom Bundle. You need to get the bundle. Everything that I've done here today is taught in detail in the Freedom Bundle. Go ahead, get your cameras out, scan that baby right now. $7,000 worth of value. My chat room, my ProTrader subscription, my coaching, my level 2 video, my futures course, my team. Let's go. Click that link. Don't let anything hold you back. You're rescued. Let's go.
That was fun, Mike. That was a good afternoon. Good ending to the afternoon for me.
Here comes the money.
Told you it ain't over, Panda. Another minute left. Wait till the after hours. It's going to be at 94 to 98, may even go to 18 in the after hours.
All right. I reloaded.
Look at the ass for UBS, 91, ripping it. Ripping liquidity out of the market. Adding liquidity out of the market. I'm freaking up on 3 runners, 350, Panda. 2 of them off the table, 1 runner.
Nice. Very nice.
$84 runner, $84.50, $87.50, $97 runner, $97. I told you, $101 runner, $102 runner, $107, like an auction. Boom! I told you 94, 120, 120 runner. I told you. Told you, all in the Freedom Bundle. You guys make a fortune, you trade with me. You make a fortune, you trade with me. Look at the Nasdaq at 98, 28.53, Panda. Look at the Nasdaq signal at 98. Yes, sir. That's how you trade, boss.
Okay, I gotta stop. I'm locked out.
Told you. Everybody have a great day. Thank you for watching. Give me a like on the video if you like what I've done, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.